tree, reminding me what it means to be free. Freedom no living on money alone, nor in a palace, nor golden throne. Because some rich man trapped by fear, while poor man's spirit crystal clear. Me learn long time from real that them freedom begin deep within. No prison wall can hold a soul when faith and truth remain in control. Born to be free, that's my destiny. No chain can hold the spirit of me. Born to be free, just set me free, like the river flowing to the sea. Babylon built invisible cage, through fear and anger and endless rage, teaching people to doubt them worth and forget the purpose of them birth. Some enslaved by greed every day, some by hatred in every way, some by envy, some by pride, carrying heavy chains inside. But freedom come when you understand Jah place greatness in every man, and no obstacle can truly stand against faith guided by Jah hand. Born to be free, that's my destiny. No chain can hold the spirit of me. Born to be free, just set me free, like the river flowing to the sea. Me walk through the ghetto and hear people cry, asking why life's so hard and dry. But still me see resilience grow, like flowers through concrete below. Because freedom is not merely escape, it's having courage to shape your fate, refusing to bow to negativity and standing firm in dignity. Every generation face them fight, searching for justice and equal rights. But every victory starts somewhere inside a heart refusing fear. Born to be free, that's my destiny. No chain can hold the spirit of me. Born to be free, just set me free, like the river flowing to the sea. Heavy bassline, marimba soaring, organ bubbling, free Marley.
Freedom, freedom.
History tell the story clear. Many heroes conquered fear, standing tall despite oppression, driven by divine direction. Them never point all the answers, yet them become history's dancers, moving nations to our delight, standing firm for what was right. Freedom cost sacrifice and pain, sometimes sunshine follow rain, but every struggle overcome make future generations strong. Me see freedom in a mother's smile, who sacrifice mile after mile, working hard through every day to help our children find them way. Me see freedom in a farmer's hand, planting crops upon the land, trusting seasons still arrive, helping communities survive. Freedom living honest work, in every humble righteous clerk, in every dream that still survive, despite the pressure of life.
Freedom,
Jah freedom,
born to be free.
vintage roots dub, deep bass vibration, no government leave behind destructive lies. To the youth listening today, don't let fear steal you away. Dream bigger than the world expect, and always keep self-respect. Knowledge become your strongest shield, helping hidden truth reveal, and discipline become your key, unlocking possibility. Every giant started small, before them rise them first did fall. So never let setbacks define the greatness hidden inside. One day when the journey done and me final race is run, me hope people remember me as someone who lived free, not because of wealth or fame, not because people knew me name, but because me stayed aligned with truth inside me mind. Because real freedom never die, even when bodies say goodbye. The spirit continue endlessly, flying through eternity. Born to be free, that's my destiny. No chain can hold the spirit of me.